Quick, graph y equals 1/4 times the quantity of 1/2 raised to the x power by hand, two different ways. This is part of the family of functions series. You will need graph paper, or you can download this PDF and print it. Press pause as needed anytime during this video. The first way is with the 1/2 to the x dance. Y equals 1/2 to the x has an asymptote at y equals 0, but the factor of 1/4 does not affect this asymptote. So we'll just go ahead and graph the x-axis, y equals 0. The origin will also be at 0, 0, still unaffected by that 1/4. And all points will be plotted relative to 0, 0. Normally it's right 0 up 1 because 1/2 to the 0 is 1. But in this case, it's right 0 up 1/4 because of that factor of 1/4. Normally right 1 up 1/2, but in this case, it'll be right 1 up 1/8. Normally right 2 up 1/4, but in this case, it'll be right 2 up 1/16, which is very small. Going to the left side, left 1 up 2 normally, but in this case, it's going to be left 1 up 1/2. Normally left 2 up 4. In this case, it'll be left 2 up 1 because of that 1/4. And left 3 up 8 becomes left 3 up 2. Connect the points, and we get a curve that looks like y equals 1/2 raised to the x power. But that 1/4 changes the graph, makes it wider, go up slower. And you can see from blue to green, blue value, y values times 1/4 are the y values on the green. Not only for these points, but for all points on the graph. Second way, using a table. This is our traditional 5 points that we use for y equals 1/2 raised to the x. We'll keep the x coordinates the same and multiply each y value by 1/4, that coefficient there. 1/4 times 1/4 is 1/16, so we'll plot 2, 1/16. 1/2 times 1/4 is 1/8, 1, 1/8. We're going to ask you to finish the 3 points here, plot them, and finish the graph. Press pause, and then resume when you're ready. 1 times 1/4 is 1/4, 0, 1/4 is our y-intercept. 2 times 1/4, 1/2. -1, 1/2. And 4 times 1/4, those are reciprocals, so their product is 1, 2, 1. Draw the asymptote, the boundary line. That would be the x-axis, y equals 0. And then connect the points. We compare it to the blue parent function. And now you try one. Graph y equals 1/2 times the quantity of 1/2 raised to the x. Use either method or both for the practice. Press pause to do this and resume when you're finished to check your answer. And here's our answer right here in green compared to the blue parent function.